Today, we will know about the delightful world of ice cream. Ice cream is one of the most loved desserts worldwide. Its creamy texture, refreshing taste, and variety of flavors make it a favorite among people of all ages. Whether enjoyed on a hot summer day or as a comfort food in winter, ice cream never fails to bring happiness. Ice cream dates back to ancient times when rulers of China and Rome enjoyed frozen desserts made from snow, honey, and fruit juices. Over time, the recipe evolved, and by the 17th century, ice cream became popular in Europe. Today, it is available in countless flavors and styles, satisfying every sweet tooth. Ice cream comes in many forms, each offering a unique taste experience. The traditional ice cream is made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. This is the most common type found in stores and parlors. The gelato is originating from Italy. It has a denser texture and a richer taste due to its lower air content and higher milk to cream ratio. Sorbet, a dairy-free frozen dessert made from fruit puree and sugar, perfect for those who prefer a light and refreshing treat. Frozen yogurt, a healthier alternative to traditional ice cream. Frozen yogurt contains probiotics and has a tangy taste. The smooth and creamy variation is served directly from a machine, often swirled into cones or cups. Another one is kulfi, a popular Indian dessert. Kulfi is denser than regular ice cream and comes in flavors like cardamom, saffron, and mango. The rolled ice cream, originating from Thailand. This ice cream is prepared by freezing a liquid base on a cold surface and then rolling it into thin curls. Ice cream is not just a dessert, it is an experience. It brings back childhood memories, makes celebrations sweeter, and even lifts mood. With so many varieties and flavors, there is always something new to try. In conclusion, ice cream is a universal delight that comes in endless flavors and styles. Whether you prefer classic vanilla, exotic kulfi, or refreshing sorbet, there is an ice cream for everyone. So, the next time you enjoy a scoop, savor the magic of this timeless treat.